Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need concrete skills and immediate action. Audit your SEO, paid ads, email, and analytics abilities and mark 2 gaps to learn. Once done, create a 1-page portfolio and convert past work into 2 short case studies showing metrics. Make sure to pitch weekly. Send 20 targeted outreach messages and offer a low-cost pilot like a $0 discovery or $50 audit to win the first client quickly and gather testimonials. Now scale with systems, define 3 clear packages, a one-off project, a monthly retainer, and an outcome-based option, so prospects choose quickly. Once your services are fixed, standardize onboarding with an intake form, proposal template, and simple contract formatted for $1,099 work. Make sure to deploy a basic tech stack, CRM to track leads, invoicing, scheduling, and one dashboard that surfaces client KPIs. This reduces friction and frees time to do higher value strategy work. Deliver value in the first 30 days. Prioritize quick wins, set a reporting cadence, and document learning so you can repeat success. Once stable, systematize referrals, structured upsells, and a small content plan to generate inbound leads. To scale, hire contractors or automate tasks you dislike. If things go wrong, audit your funnel from pitch to close, check pricing against conversion rates, and run a /B tests on messaging and offers. Then iterate quickly based on data and client feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.